In the previous video, we've seen how to install Xcode and how to create a new project. So in this case, we are going to see all the basic components that we have on Xcode in order to manage our project. We split this in 7 parts that we are going to explain in this article. We have a lot more controls and settings on Xcode, but we are going to explain only the basic components that we need in order to continue with our learning. So we have 7 parts: the run and stop button, the scheme and device section, the status bar, project navigator, editor, preview, and attributes inspector. Then we will see what is the console. So let's see this on our new Xcode project that we created in the previous video. So as you can see here, let's start with the play and stop button. We launched our app in the simulator, so once it's launched, you can have this stop button here. So if you press it, it will stop the run, and you will see the play button that you can press again. Then we have here the scheme section. This is going to be unique for now. It will be the name of your project. You don't need to know about this. Maybe in the next articles you will see some different options here, so you just be sure that you have your project's name selected here. And then next to this we have the device selection. It can be a simulator or it can be a real device that we'll see in other articles how to run our app in a real device. For now we are going to use simulators because we don't know any Apple account or anything special. We just can run anything on the simulator. Then we have here the status bar. Here you can see if Xcode is building or it's waiting for something or indexing or anything. Then if you have any error, you will see it also here. Then we have the project navigator. Here we have all the files of our project, and as you can see, we already have a few ones that are created by default. The first one is this file, which is the main file of the project. In this case, it's called EducaSwift because of the name of the project, but it will have the name of your project and then app at the end. You can ignore this file for now. This is just loading our first screen. Okay, we don't need to edit this for now. So yeah, as I said, this is loading our first screen. Our first screen is content view. So this is where we have our code. Something is being created by default as well. So you can see here that we have a structure that we will explain later, but basically we have our view here, the body of the view, and then we have the components that we are going to show in our screen. Everything we want to show in this screen, it has to be inside the body, okay, between this and these elements. So yeah, these are some random components that they are created here in order to show some template code when you create your project. But yeah, we will see how to create our own UI, our own user interface. So we will delete this in another video. And then we have this preview section. This is going to load the content or code or the content of the body here in the next section, which is the preview section. So if you run in the simulator, this will be paused, but you can refresh this, and then it will load this and show the same we are going to see in the simulator, but here. This is more limited. This is not the same execution that we will have in our real device or in the simulator, but this is something very useful when you are doing changes, because every change you do here, it will be automatically propagated to this section, so it will be updated. And yeah, last part is that we have this assets folder here. It's a special folder when you can add the app icon, you can add the images that you want to import in order to show them as an image, icons, you can add colors. Then we have the console here. This is going to be used for showing debug messages. So when you are coding, running the app in the simulator, you will have some messages here that we will explain how to get an advantage from this. You can just dismiss it or show it again.